Introducing Bitlevex, an EU licensed Bitcoin options platform where you can buy and sell Bitcoin options. Users can buy and sell traditional European put and call Bitcoin options, and they can also purchase them with leverage, up to 1 to 100, starting as low as $20. The first step is to make an account. Enter your name, surname, email, phone number, and create a strong password. After completing the registration form and logging in, you will be presented with this front page. After logging in, you will have to add funds to your account. Currently, we accept Bitcoin, credit card payments, web money transfers, and wire transfers are about to be added. As soon as funds arrive in your account, you can purchase Bitcoin options. Before you begin, we highly recommend you review our brief guide, which is located under the Recent Community Gains tab. Please read the information carefully before doing any actions. If you wish to create a custom BTC options purchase, here you will find advanced controls. You will need to choose the option type, BTC amount, strike price, desired time to maturity, and leverage based on the risk you are willing to take. Please note that the minimum investment amount is still $20. Additionally, you can purchase options directly from the table below. Put options are on the left side, and call options are on the right side. The simplest way of purchasing is to press the Invest Now button. What is your opinion about where the Bitcoin price is going to move? If you believe it is going to rise, you have to buy a call option. If you think it is going to fall, then the put option is your choice. Then choose your investment style, whether it be reactive, profitable, regular, or simple. Decide how much you are willing to invest. Let's make it at $50. Just to show you an example, I will invest $50 in the put option with a profitable investment style. Always before you confirm your purchase, please check if the information is correct. You can track your open positions in the table below. You can sell your option back later after 24 hours with significant profit. Here we can see that our put option is already in profit. To begin your verification process, click Verify Now in the Account My Profile section. You will be required to add some personal information. After it's done, you will have to wait up to 48 hours for your profile to be approved for Tier 2. Additionally, in this page, you can find your referral link. If you wish to invite people to the platform and earn passive income from deposits that your friends make, here you can track how many referrals you have and how much you have made in commission. While we were checking the account section, we earned an additional 2% on our $50 investment. Isn't that great? Earn big with every Bitcoin price swing at Bitlevex.